Recently, I've been seeing way too many ads about something called the pink salt recipe, and at the same time, a product called SlimDrops is being pushed everywhere. Maybe you've seen them too on Facebook, YouTube, or even random websites. These ads usually start with a bold claim like, "I lost this much weight thanks to a pink salt trick," and then they quickly push you to watch a long video. And in almost all of these ads, Oprah is shown as the one talking about this so-called pink salt recipe. Sometimes it even looks like Oprah herself is telling you about this secret, which is why so many people are curious and end up clicking on it. Once you click, it redirects you to another website that looks like a well-known health page, with a headline that says something like, "Better than Ozempic? Tap play to uncover the pink salt trick stars depend on to shed 24 pounds effectively." It feels professional, it looks trustworthy, and you think, well, if Oprah is there, it must be real. But that's exactly how they lure you in. Before I go further, I just want to say a quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor or a medical professional. The information I'm sharing here is for awareness and educational purposes only. If you're looking for real solutions for weight loss, always consult your doctor before trying anything new. Don't take random health claims at face value, especially from online ads. Now, in this video that looks like Oprah is speaking, she supposedly reveals this viral pink salt trick. According to it, this simple recipe mimics or even beats weight loss injections like Ozempic and Mounjaro. They claim she personally lost 74 pounds in just 3 months by doing nothing else but this recipe. No dieting, no exercise, no surgery, no injections. They say it works in 30 seconds, activates your natural fat-burning hormones, and has no side effects. Sounds too good to be true, right? And that's because it is. Oprah has never endorsed this. What you are watching is a deep fake. They've used clips from her actual YouTube channel where she was talking about something completely different and then manipulated them with AI voice and lip syncing to make it look like she's promoting their product. They tease you with this recipe. They say you just mix Himalayan pink salt with 3 simple ingredients: green tea extract, berberine, and resveratrol. They even suggest that it mimics tirzepatide or Mounjaro naturally. But then they throw in the catch. They claim that the real pure versions of these ingredients are rare, too expensive, and that the ratios must be exact, so of course you can't make it at home. The only way to actually benefit from this recipe, they say, is to buy their product called SlimDrops. SlimDrops is marketed as a personalized liquid formula that supposedly activates these fat-burning hormones even better than injections. They tell you it's like using a Mounjaro pen, but without the side effects. They throw in official-sounding claims like made in the USA, FDA-registered facility, third-party tested, GMP certified, and even mention something called 8 Labs, which they label as the #1 natural supplement lab with FDA premium certification. But here's the truth, none of this can be verified. It's all part of the script to make you feel safe and willing to spend money. The red flags are everywhere. First, the weight loss timelines are just impossible. They talk about losing 3 pounds in 24 hours, 15 pounds in a week, 74 pounds in 3 months, and even over 150 pounds in 5 months. And all of this while eating whatever you want and not exercising. That's just classic miracle cure marketing, and it's designed to trick desperate people who are struggling with weight loss. Another big red flag is how they claim major news outlets like CNN, ABC, and Fox are covering this. If you actually search, you'll find that these outlets have clearly stated these stories are fake. ABC even published warnings saying Oprah has never promoted any pink salt recipe for weight loss. So these ads are not only lying, they're misusing the names of respected media companies to make their scam look real. And then, after keeping you hooked for nearly half an hour, they finally hit you with the sales pitch. They want you to buy SlimDrops for $49 a bottle if you buy 6 at once. But if you check online, there's absolutely no real trace of this product outside of these ads and fake websites. No transparency about who made it, no official company information, and no safe way to verify the product. On top of that, many people who shared their experiences on places like Reddit or Trustpilot said they got scammed. The drops did nothing, and when they tried to get their so-called 60-day money-back guarantee, it was impossible. In fact, some even reported extra charges appearing on their credit cards. So at the end of the day, this is just another weight loss scam, using AI deepfakes of Oprah and fake websites to make you believe in a pink salt trick that doesn't exist. Don't fall for it. Real weight loss takes time, effort, and guidance from professionals, not a quick trick or a miracle drop. These scammers know people are looking for shortcuts, and they're exploiting that to steal money. Be aware, don't click on these ads, and definitely don't give them your card details. If you really want to make changes to your health, talk to your doctor or a licensed nutritionist. Don't let fake videos and too good to be true promises mislead you.